Today you're going to learn how to unlock your Motorola device if it has a screen lock in one of the easiest and fastest ways without needing a PC. It's a completely PC-free method. As you can see, we're on our device, which allows us to access it. You can see these icons, but it doesn't let us log in at all. If that's your case, don't worry, we'll get started. To solve this, pay close attention to these video tutorials. It's recommended to watch the video step by step without skipping ahead. We also have other methods that are completely different from this one, which we do via PC. This is a PC-free method, and we have a method for that. Also via PC, well, the first thing we're going to do here is the following. We're going to scroll down here. We're going to turn off our phone. We turn it off. We wait 5 seconds for it to be completely off. Now what we're going to do is press the power button, then the volume down button at the same time, and we're going to enter this secret menu. Now we're going to scroll down. We're going to find this option that says recovery mode. We're going to press it. We press it. We wait for it to be completely off, and it takes us to the Android logo. Well, this took us to the Android logo, but it took us to this section where we're going to select this option that says Wipe Data, Factory Reset. We select that. Scroll down and we click where it says Factory Data Reset. It doesn't matter if you get these errors, you're going to press the power button. The first option will now take you to the next section where it will give you access to the home screen. We're going to wait a few seconds until we get to the home screen to configure it. We're here. We're going to remove any SIM card inserted in the phone. That's the first thing we'll be doing. We remove any SIM card. We click here where it says continue. We connect. We click accept. We click next. We click accept again. Now it would take us to this other section. We're going to click here on skip. We wait a few seconds. We say not now, not now, not now, and not now. We click next. Here we're going to click finish, and that would be all.